ठीक है. Today we will discuss location of roots of quadratic equation. Part 2. In part first, we had already discussed about location of roots with reference to a point K. And part 2, we will discuss location of roots of quadratic equation with respect to 2 points, that is K1 and K2. There, in previous video, we had already discussed about 3 conditions for K. Now we will discuss another 3 conditions for K1 and K2. Now case 4. As case 1, case 2 and case 3 we had discussed in previous video. Case 4. When K1 and K2, one root lies between K1 and K2 and other does not lies. Means this is the reference point K1 and this is the reference point K2. And this is alpha and this is beta. When only one root lies between K1 and K2. When only one root between K1 and K2. Then we can see that f of K1 is greater than 0 and f of K2 is smaller than 0. Then in this case we can say that f of K1 dot f of K2 is always smaller than 0 because fk1 is positive and fk2 is negative and fk1 dot k2 is always negative. Then we will discuss our case 5th. Case 5th is that when k1 and k2 both are, मतलब हमारी ये दो रूट्स हैं अल्फ़ा और बीटा और K1 इधर लाई करे और K2 इधर लाई करे. ठीक है, तो K1 भी पॉजिटिव आएगा और K2 भी पॉजिटिव आएगा. ठीक है, एफ K1 इज पॉजिटिव, एफ ऑफ K2 इज ऑल्सो पॉजिटिव. ठीक है, एंड वेयर we can see that vertex is also lying there. वर्टेक्स का कंडीशन तभी है जब हम लोग को K1 और K2 दोनों पता हो कि बाहर है. इसमें इस वजह से नहीं है क्योंकि K2 कहीं पे भी हो सकता था. K1 और K2 और ये वर्टेक्स क्या होता है? वर्टेक्स कोऑर्डिनेट्स -b/2a और -d/4a. नेसेसरी कंडीशन दूसरी वाली, K1 इज स्मॉलर देन -b/2a and -b/2 is smaller than K2. This is discriminant should be greater than 0. Now we'll discuss our case 6th. ठीक है, when K1 and K2 both are inside lying between alpha and beta, means this is our equation of alpha and this is our equation of beta, and K1 and K2 lies both here. Both can lie anywhere between alpha and beta, so we cannot write condition of vertex, but we can write condition for f of k. F of K1 is always negative, f of K2 is always negative, and that are necessary condition for this. अब a की बात आ जाती है तो a ग्रेटर देन 0 ही होता है हमेशा. अब इसमें a मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो कोई फ़र्क तो पड़ने वाला नहीं क्योंकि दोनों स्मॉलर देन 0 है. इसमें भी a मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो कोई फ़र्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है. बस ये कंडीशंस ज़रूरी हैं, इसके लिए सबसे ज़रूरी ये कंडीशन. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग आवर वीडियो.